Hi there. Now anyone can create a web app without writing a single line of a code. In just 4 simple steps, we build our app completely for free. Sounds exciting, right? Well, by the end of this video, you will be able to create a web app just like this. This app helps you to track your income and expenses. At the top, you will see the total balance. Right below that, you will find the total income and total expenses. And just below that, you will see the recent transaction neatly listed. Each transaction displays its date and time. Swipe right to left to delete the transaction. Swipe left to right to edit one. Tap the plus icon to add new entry. Choose income or expense. Enter the labels such as salary, rent, etc. Click the Save Transaction to add new entry. Use the search box at the top to find the entries by date or by name. We will build this web app together step by step. Hi, I am Rushi and you are watching CodeByRushi. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating an app. First, you need a clear idea of what you want to build. For example, my idea is to create an income and expense tracker app. So, open the ChatGPT and type this prompt. I want to build an income and expense app. I don't know coding. So, give me the direct copy paste code in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Basically, HTML, CSS and JavaScript together make a complete web page that appears on your screen. I already explained to ChatGPT what I want. It gave me complete detailed prompt with all pages, buttons and features of my app. I copy the detailed prompt and paste into ChatGPT. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT starts writing the full code of my app. Once it's done, we are ready to test our app. Now, open the new tab and search for CodePen. Click the first link, then click on Start Coding button. Now go back to the ChatGPT and find the index.html code. Click Copy Code, come back to the CodePen and paste it into HTML section. Next, copy the style.css code and paste into the CSS section. Finally, copy the script.js code, paste into JS section. Make the preview screen larger to start testing our app. For example, in the amount box, type 50,000 and select the salary as a description. Green for income and red for expense. Click the Save Transaction. Now let's try to another entry. Type 599 for groceries. Then click Save Transaction. The total balance updates instantly. Perfect. Try using the Search by Date option. Click on the search icon, then select the date and save. Only that day's entries will appear. Also, test the delete button. It works smoothly too. If you know little bit coding, you can even make a small live edits in the CodePen. For example, I rename account book to income and expenditure app. I noticed the one small issue that the icon and the text overlap. So, I took a screenshot, uploaded into ChatGPT and explained the issue and asked for the correct code. ChatGPT gave me the updated version. I copy it, replace it into CodePen and fix instantly. Repeat this process until your app looks exactly how you want it. Step 2. Saving and hosting the code. Once your app is perfect, it's time to get it live on the internet. First, we need to save the code on our local system. Open the notepad and copy the HTML code and save it as index.html. Copy the CSS code and save it as style.css. Copy the JavaScript code and save it script.js. Now, let's host our app online. Search GitHub on the Google and open the first link. Click sign up for GitHub and create an account using your Google account. Choose the username carefully because it becomes a part of your URL. Once you sign in, click Create Repository. Type your project name, for example, account-app. Leave these settings as default and click Create Repository. Next, click the Upload an existing file. Now select your 3 files HTML, CSS and JavaScript and upload them. Click Commit Changes and wait for few seconds. Now go to the settings, click on Pages. Under the branch, select the main and click Save. Then go back to the Code tab. You will see the yellow dot Deployment in Progress. Click it to view the deployment detail. Once all green tick appear, your site is live. Now open this setting, click on Pages. You will see your live URL. Click Visit Site and test your app from different devices. If you find any error, just ask to ChatGPT for help. Step 3. Setting up a backend. Your app works great, but there is one small issue. When you open it on another device, the data doesn't stay the same. That's because we haven't set up a backend yet. Now let's fix it using the Firebase. Open the new tab and search for Firebase. Click the first link, click on Go to Console. Sign in with your Google account and then click Get Started. Enter your app name, accept the terms and click Continue. Continue. Choose your country, accept the terms and click Create Project. Wait for few seconds, then click Continue. Your Firebase project is ready. Now open the new tab and search for Gemini. Click the plus icon and select the import code. Go back to your GitHub project and copy the repository URL from the address bar and paste into Gemini. Click Import, then Connect. Now Gemini can access your project code. Type a simple prompt. I don't know coding. Help me to set up proper backend for this project. Explain each step clearly and give me the direct copy-paste codes. Gemini will guide you step by step. Go back to the Firebase. Click on Analytics Dashboard. Then click on Web icon. Enter your app name and click Register App. Copy the configuration code that appears. It's very important, so save it. Now go to the Build option. Then Firestore Database. Click Create Database. Choose Standard Mode and click Next. Select your location and choose in Production Mode and click Create. Next, go to the Rules. Delete the existing text. Then paste the security rule snippet from this Gemini. Click Publish and you are done setting up backend database. Now return to the Gemini and paste your Firebase project details and say, I have completed all steps. Give me direct copy-paste code to connect the Firebase with this project. Gemini will generate updated JavaScript code. Copy that code and go back to the GitHub and open the script.js. Click the pencil icon and press Ctrl A and delete button. Now paste the new one. Then click Commit Changes. Once again, check the deployment status until all green ticks appear. Finally, open your hosted app link and test it. Step 4. Real-time testing. Let's test it real-time functionally. I will make the entry 10,000 as a salary and open the app into 2 Chrome tabs. Now add another entry, 68 rupees notebook expenses, and within a second it's instantly appeared on the both tabs. That's mean our data is syncing in real time for multiple users. Now let's convert it into a mobile app. Open the Play Store and search for Native Alpha and install it. Open the app, tap OK and paste the hosted URL. Add your app name, click add, and your app appears directly on your home screen and working perfectly. And that's it. Congratulations! You will just build, hosted, and connect a real web app with Backend without any coding knowledge. Check the description. I provide the full step-by-step guide and code snippet also. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe CodeByRushi, and I will see you in the next video.